Business model is the logic that connects your strategic decisions on how the business should work. You can use business model to describe your business and innovate too. However, gaps emerge when you try to make it really work. That is, you want to get the maximum potential out of the business model that you have created. Simply put, business model can be defined by these three blocks as the logic of creating value and then delivering this value to the target market and capturing back this value into the organization. This cycle is called the cycle of value. This was first described by Alex Osterwalder in his now famous book, Business Model Generation. This simplified business model visualization can be detailed further into 9 blocks, and the logic remains the same. You create value, deliver value, and capture the value. Then the operations of business model becomes very clear. Your job is to ensure that the value is created seamlessly, faster and faster. And in due course of time, you add more value streams to it. And that is how your business model should derive its full potential. In reality, when we try to initiate or start your business model, you find that your value flow is dramatically choked by various factors, various challenges, bottlenecks, obstacles appearing in different blocks of the business model, which prevents you from really moving ahead closer to the purpose or the goal of the business. Normally, organizations are so much excited about their business model itself that they pay very little attention or they have little time to pay on the operations of business model. And that costs them very heavily. What do? They simply keep on identifying more and more improvement projects in each one of these blocks, accumulating them to the level that the time that it takes to improve each one of these initiatives becomes too long. And at the same time, the growth of the organization starts tapering down. We know this very well from the fundamentals of operation management, and also very well illustrated in the book The Path, that too many improvements in too many places exponentially elongates the time it takes to improve and dramatically deteriorates growth prospects of the organization. Yes, the reality is that these obstacles, challenges, complexity, and uncertainties are actually interconnected in time and space. You require a different way to ensure that you harness full potential of your business model. During past few years, we worked in this area and came out with a corresponding transformational model to the business model. It is a 5-block conceptual model where the practical tool representing the framework is called TOC Canvas because of the way it is used. Fundamentally, it equips you with 5 simple questions represented by 5 icons. The set of these 5 pivotal questions help you to have right perspective on the way your business operates. It filters out all the noise around and makes you focus on just few things or the one thing that is most important in order to derive full potential of your business model. This is an integrated structure, not an isolated set of blocks or a checklist or bullet points. The most important thing is about the interfaces between these blocks. If you got your interfaces defined very well, you would be in a situation to really get the most out of your business model. If you miss these interfaces, you miss every other work that you had done inside the box. This canvas is so beautiful that it embraces complexity of transformation process in a way that it hides it from you so that you can work on this canvas and your transformational journey in most simplified way without bothering about the complexity. It actually integrates your whole journey, since transformation by definition is an ongoing journey. It is very simple so that you can replicate what one thing you do. It is very elegant, which is that it is very efficient and effective, and it helps you in capturing the intuition and experience of the team and makes your transformation journey real people-centric. You could start with a very simplified version with few phrases in each one of these blocks, and then mature with time to plus and plus plus to more detailed versions of the canvas as the journey moves on. Now you too can kickstart your transformation journey with the canvas. A journey that is truly yours. Just print the canvas, spread it, and sketch your simplified model just the way a kid would start drawing on a sheet of blank paper for the first time. That is how a transformation should start. The concept of business transformation model and the TOC canvas is presented, rather introduced, in the book Business Transformation Model, first book of the series TOC Way. The book is available on Amazon.com. Slowly and gradually, we are also starting activities around business transformation and the application of Canvas at our website mytocway.com. Please do consider joining us for collaboration on the application of TOC Canvas. Thank you very much.